So as I'm mulching my zucchini plant, you know, I just did a bunch of weeding around it. Guess it's gonna be a weeding series. And then doing some mulch around it. If you saw the last one, you saw I was talking about how these weeds, if you don't take care of them, if you aren't proactive about putting something into place, well, they just gonna grow right alongside of the stuff that you trying to grow. But makes it a little difficult because you got to pull the weeds. And I talked about how we can plant other things in the space because regardless, something's gonna grow. But you know, my zucchini plant here, it needs a lot of space to grow. So just putting a whole bunch of stuff around it, that ain't really the answer. Because this thing is a heavy feeder. It wants to kind of be a little bit, have a little bit of space for it. So, you know, all gardeners, they know about mulching. Farmers know about what mulching can do for you to keep the sunlight away. So that's really what's happening as I put down the straw. Here's a little gardening lesson. I'm creating an environment where the light isn't gonna hit all of the areas where the weeds will grow, and it'll keep my little situation here nice and weed free. So I was thinking, okay, what's the comparison in our minds? How do we mulch down our minds? Because I think there's so much, you know, the analogy really sticks really well, from cultivating our minds and growing the positive thoughts we want in our mind to what it's like to actually grow something out here in the field. And man, I realize how powerful we are as humans, that not only are we growing things within ourselves, but our attention is the light. Where we put our attention, where attention goes, energy flows. Attention is like this sunlight out here, sending all of the energy to grow whatever we put our attention to. So couldn't figure out exactly what mulch would be. If y'all are watching, I'd love to hear what